Welcome back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to auto-generate meeting minutes with Fireflies AI. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to auto-generate meeting minutes with Fireflies AI, all you gotta do is simply go to Fireflies AI. Once you're in your Fireflies AI, all you gotta do now is simply get logged into your account. Once you have logged into your account as well, you need to connect a calendar or like Google Outlook or something like that and set up auto join so that the AI bot will automatically join your meetings like your Zoom meeting or your Google Meet. So Fireflies AI will then record it, transcribe it, and create AI summaries with action items, which you can later customize, edit, and share from your dashboard as well. So if you're going to do this, then you can simply have your Fireflies auto-generate your meeting minutes accordingly. I hope you found this video helpful. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.